companies have either said, hey, from a tech perspective, let's get the data and the tools right. We'll make this investment in the technology, but they'll forget the skills and the culture piece and leave the people behind and say, hey, we've got all these great tools. Why aren't people using them? And on the flip side, I've also worked with clients where we've got the culture piece, we've got the upskilling, and basically saying, hey, great, you've done all of that. People are ready. They want to innovate. They want to work differently, but you don't have the tool set. The challenge in getting this started is getting those things working in tandem. And like Darren said, it's not going to be perfect. So don't try to get it perfect or else you just stall the whole thing. But if you can get them working together so that when you're asking for people to work differently, you give them something to do differently, to quickly apply that learning. That's been the biggest challenge we've seen with clients, trying to get this, movement started. And, with us, I'm sure there were some in the beginning that just I wasn't as privy to, being an employee, but it really is tough to get all those people aligned early on and have buy-in from the stakeholders who are going to champion that.